So I'm going to do part 1. Now, I might go a little bit faster because you're advanced student, right? So I might. We'll see how it goes. We're going to open Illustrator. We're going to click on Create New. And when you click on the Create New, you will go to the New Document window. Okay? You're going to click on Art and Illustration. That's what you want to do, Art and Illustration. And you want to make sure you're in inches. Inches right here. Make sure you're inches. And then the first thing you always do is to name your document. So go to here and you do P6 underscore. My name is Mona M. So if you David Renteria, you say David R underscore complementary underscore scheme. Okay. So that's the name. For the paper, for the digital paper, we're gonna do something different. We're gonna put it in landscape mode. Landscape means the width is gonna be longer than the height. The width, we wanna make it 11. And the height, we wanna make it 8.5, okay? So let me say it again. The width is 11. The height is 8.5. When you go to bleed, you want to make sure you have it locked. This is locked. This is not. This is locked. You want to enter, remember, 0.125. And then you want to click on the other box, just one more box, and then everything's going to be 0.25 because you lock it. Now, on a color mode, you want to pick CMYK because we're going to print this out. Every time you hear the word printing, you're going to pick CMYK, okay? And you want it to be, you can click print. See, if you click print, it will automatically set to CMYK. See that? So if you click print, you can go back like inches, right? And you go 11. You go 8.5, and then everything's set. You still have to set the bleed. So you know what print is, right? When you hit print, the advanced option different, right? So you can hit print and then you make sure the name's the same. Inches, width 11, 8.5, bleed, lock as 0.125, and CMYK 100 PPI default, and click create. Okay, create like a blue. So when you click that, I'm gonna take a screenshot of this for later. So when you click create, this is what the document will look like. See that document there? You don't have to say anything, please. Now, let's make sure we have the right toolbox. So here's the toolbox. You want to have it advanced toolbox. So you go to window, you want the controls on. Okay, make sure the controls on. Make sure the properties on. Under toolbars, make sure the advanced on. So 3 things. Controls on, toolbar advanced on, properties are on. Now go to window, go to view. You want to make sure smart guides are on. Grid shown, show grid. You want to make sure the grids are shown. You want to make sure the rulers are on. So 3 things under view. The smart guides are on. The ruler, show ruler, and the grid, you want to show grid. Okay. Now, When you here, you have everything set. Now the ruler is not on, so let me go back and get the ruler. View, ruler, show ruler. Say the ruler on, you want to double check it's the right ruler. So these numbers right here in the upper right corner have to indicate 11 inches. If it indicates something like this, you see 792, you know something wrong, right? Very easy fix. You go to the property window, you want to make sure under unit you have inches, and boom. Now the question will be, did you assign 11? If you not, another easy fix, right? I'm going to show you how to fix it. If you not assign 11, you assign accidentally 8.5. You go to document setup, and you want to make sure you want to go document setup, and you want to go to edit artboard, and you can edit this artboard. See the artboard right here? You can change the dimension right here, but you have it done correctly, so you don't have to do anything. And that is advanced. I did not teach my beginners that, because we confuse them too much. Okay. All right, so we're gonna center everything, view, fit on window, and then we're gonna save it. So we're gonna go file, save, and we want to make sure we save it on our computer, save on computer, and it's always under document folder, and then click save. And then we don't want to use compression. So here I'm gonna take another screenshot. We don't want to use compression. We only want to, with the select compression, the select PDF, keep, embed, ICC, and then we click OK. So every time you do a part, it is important, you need to go to file and save. Because you keep working and you don't do that, it will not save, okay? It will save the previous, but it wouldn't save the current. Let's go and back it up. So you go to Control Tab and switch it to browser. And then you will go to your class folder and you back it up right away. Whatever you have, back it up right now. So I have my folder right here. I'm gonna back it up because it's a good habit to get into. So I'm in my folder, P6, Mona M, GD2. New, file upload. And I'm gonna do under document, and you see right away, here it is, my complementary scheme. I click open. Everything's ready for me. I can draw now, okay? And that is the first video.